So this is part of our day in the life of snippet of our life. We are on vacation this week. Today is October 13th. And part of our vacation, this is Amar, by the way, and I'm Molly, in case you're new to my channel. We just wanted to show you a little snippet of our life this week because we're doing some fun things, and we're going to take a bike ride later this week. And today we're going to vote early. We won't tell you who we're voting for, but we're voting early. We expect there's going to be a terrible line. So we just had, he had a Danish, and we're having some coffee on our way, and then we're going to go have a nice lunch around. We live in Central Ohio, so we're going to take a road trip today for part of our vacation. It's a staycation, really. So yeah, stay tuned, and we're going to show you parts of our bike ride because it's fall right now in Central Ohio, and the leaves are starting to change. It's looking beautiful. So I voted. Get out there and vote. So part of our staycation, we love this place. We actually drove an hour and a half from where we live toward Dayton, Ohio. This is called the Phoenician Taverna. Show some of the food. This is roasted pepper. It's like a hummus, but it's got red peppers and walnuts. This is toom. It's whipped up olive oil and garlic. This is za'atar. This is a Lebanese style place, and bread fresh out of the oven. So we cannot wait to eat the rest of the food. We're starving. All that voting got us all worked up. Look at all this cute appetizers that arrived.
What is that?
Hummus, baba, some kind of bean, falafel. This has pumpkin in it. This has spinach, kind of like it's Greek. This is a eneb. Grape leaf. I'm not sure what this is. And then we even got, this coffee has cardamom in it. And that's it.
What is the coffee called?
Myww. I think this is so cool. So pretty, this carpet of leaves. Look how beautiful that is. And that tree, look at the top of the yellow. Oh my goodness gracious, it's beautiful. We rolled out of bed at a late hour, and we're going to one of our favorite breakfast spots, First Watch, and we're going to have some naughty breakfast. And the first course is $1 million bacon. I don't know what they put on it. It tastes kind of syrupy, but it's amazing. So that's how our day has started so far. Not bad, right? Today is my husband and I's 12-year wedding anniversary. We got married 12 years ago in Savannah, Georgia. So we, if you can see the suitcase, have our little, we're going to have a little getaway. With COVID going on, and we're working and going to school still. We're almost done. Both of us are, he's completing his master's degree. He's got one class left, and I have 1 week left, and I'll finish 2 bachelor's degrees. So we've really been working full time and going to school. We're really tired. So we're just doing this whole week has been kind of a staycation, but we are going to Grandville, Ohio. There's a couple really old hotels. The one we're staying in, Grandville Inn, I think it's like maybe 80 years old, but it's really cool. It's like stone, and they call Grandville, Ohio, like the New England. I love New England. Love Boston. Shout out, hey. My mom's no longer with us, but she left me a whole lot of handmade little fall, and then later I'll show you the Christmas items. But this is my house, and because I like to travel, I kind of put a compass in the doorway when you first come in. And I wanted to show you the pond. There's a really nice pond out back. This is my backyard. And I have to show you, we do have another family member that lives with us. So I thought I would show you. He's sleepy, but he doesn't mind being recorded. I think he likes being recorded. So here's our other family member. Hi. Hi. This is Salem Joseph. He's going to protect the house for a couple days when we leave. Is that right, Salem? Are you going to protect our house? No? You're not going to have a cat party, are you? Salem. I sure do. So somebody just got home, and they're a romantic little double. Today is our anniversary. Somebody brought a few things back with them from the store. Aren't these pretty? This is the Grandville Inn in Grandville, Ohio. I think it was built in the 1920s. So it looks kind of like a castle. And it's fall. Ohio in the fall is so pretty. Tonight we're going to stay another night, and then we're going to go across the street. There's the Buxton Inn over there. It's another old, like 100-some-year-old hotel. And we're going to do a ghost tour around this area tonight at like 9 o'clock. Take a walk, and it's a history/ghost tour. So now we're going to go to the apple farm. So I cleaned out the fruit farm, Lynn fruit farm. I got, I guess this is called a peck of Yellow Delicious. And this one is for my husband. I got a peck of Honeycrisp. And these are fresh picked off the tree. And a couple other things. Look at all these cute little things I got. I got acorn squash, butternut squash. These butternut squash were only, they were only like $2 a piece. And look at these. These were $1.50 a piece. This is zucchini. The stuff I'm gonna make, I just can't wait. Oh yeah, and I got some different kinds of variations of sweet potatoes. There's a white one. Got some natural peanut butter. Some kind of candied onion. It's like a really sweet red onion. Yeah, so look for all this stuff to be in one of my future videos. This is the Gorge trail. It's about 5 miles, and then I think it leads into other smaller ones. But it's just absolutely amazing. On one side you've got kind of a cliff with some water and a bunch of caves, and then in the back you've got cliffs. Looks like people maybe live there, like Native Americans. And a blanket of leaves are coming down on us. It's just so beautiful here. This trail is beautiful. Love it. So we're getting ready to eat dinner at the Buxton Inn. I think it's over 100 years old. And then after dinner, we're gonna see a ghost tour in the area. And here's the Buxton Inn.
Yep.
I caught an orb.
Yep, I just saw it.
Oh my. So we're getting ready to wrap things up. This is Saturday, October 17th. This is the final leg of our a week in the life of on our staycation. We're in our final park, taking a bike ride fall. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know down below in the comments if you want this type of more of this content, or if you want more cooking. Thank you and have a good week. I'll see you later.